go again.
On the road again.
Australia is full of wonder. It's an adventurer's paradise, a country strewn with spectacular landscapes, unique wildlife, and surrounded by water abundant with fish. As an Aussie, I know it's important to explore this place and get to know my backyard, respect the land and the culture that it's built on, and honour the sacrifices made so that we can live freely. And that's exactly what All for Adventure is about. Freedom is being able to roam, reconnecting with the land, and have no limits. I'm always wanting to push further and to get to places that are unexplored. I know how far REDARC can take us, but how far can REDARC take you?